Hi, in this video I'm going to show you a couple of easy things you can do if your lid's getting stuck on your Bosch Tassimo Joy. So if you're trying to push it down and it's not going down, it could be two very simple things. First thing could be that this little grey thing is not aligned properly. This grey thing needs to be fully seated in here. But when you're taking your old one off, if there was any bit of stickiness or something, you might have accidentally taken it out ever so slightly, and that way then it's not seating in properly. So with this one here, all you've got to do is lift it up from the back here, and it lifts out from this bit. So just make sure that this is clean. You can give all this a wash and make sure it's clean around here as well, because if it was all blocked up with dirty coffee and stuff back here, it might not be seating properly. And then when you push it in, make sure it's fully in at the back, all the way down like that. Then you will be able to close the lid properly. The other thing, quite simply, could be that you might have accidentally hit this down at the top here, and if you hit that down when it's up, it's not going to close. You can see it will only go to there. So you just have to lift it up and then down. There might be one other scenario that could happen. You could have, if this is very sticky and dirty, this could have got stuck up in this position, and if you're from above, you might not even notice, your eyes might not even see that, and then you go to put another one in, and then you find it's not closing properly because you have two pods in. So just make sure that a pod hasn't been stuck up in the top there. So that's it, nice and straightforward. Thanks for watching.